Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, super excited to announce our new batch that is Modern No Code AI Route from AI Generalist to AI Builder. And this specific batch targets anyone who wants to quickly get into generative AI and agentic AI field without coding background. Okay. And that's the most amazing thing about this particular batch. Now, many people had actually requested because they are coming from different backgrounds. Let's say from non-tech, HR, finance. You may be a program manager. You may be a person who have never seen or heard about AI, but you really want to go ahead and learn it and start integrating in your day-to-day work, right? So this specific batch is definitely for you. Now, let me go ahead and talk more about this particular batch. As I said, this batch is starting from May 17th, 2026, just in another 4 days. And the classes will be on Saturday and Sunday, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. Along with this, the course fee is 7,500 rupees. Because this batch is going to go for around 4 to 5 months, that's the reason we have kept this particular fee, and it is inclusive of GST. Okay, I have also some discount for you. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end because we are going to discuss about what all things we will be learning in this, right? So here you will be able to see that we will be learning everything about AI foundation and landscape, AI assistant memory, prompt engineering, AI playbooks, AI for research and productivity, AI writing, content system presentation, creating workflows, creating your personal assistant, making sure that how you go ahead and take a workflow into the production, how you can apply all the specific skills in your day-to-day life, right? And that through by doing all these things, you definitely will be able to lead projects, understand how a team specifically works, and how you deliver a project to a client, right? All those things will be covered in this. Now, in order to know more about the syllabus, all you have to do is that just go ahead and click on enroll now. Here you go ahead over here. So let's say that you go ahead and see this entire information. As I said, the start date is May 17th. That is just in another 3 to 4 days. And the mentors, specifically Mank, is going to take most of the syllabus. I will also be coming for some of the sessions over here. And as said, the dashboard access will be given with 1.5 years access. Along with this, the access to 1.0 AI for everyone, that is also the previous batch, will also be given in the form of recordings. All the sessions that usually take place are completely recorded and will be available in your entire dashboard. Okay. Along with that, you also get community chat forum. We regularly conduct hackathons and we provide rewards. Along with that, we'll also be doing resume discussion and mock interviews. Okay. If you want to go ahead and check out the entire detailed syllabus, so here is the entire detailed syllabus. You will be also able to download this entire PDF. Here, module by module, how we are going to complete things, everything is mentioned very clearly so that everybody should be able to understand. Okay. So super amazing batch. This we are just launching once in a year. Probably after this particular year, we will launch this batch in 2027. Okay, because we have a strict deadlines and timelines with launching every batches in our academy, right? So here you'll be able to see, if you go to live classes, here are all the upcoming batches that you will be able to see. Okay, so I will go over here. So this is the modern no code. After this, on June 14th, we have agentic AI specialization batch with agent ops, with all up to date syllabus and all. And if you go ahead and see, before on March 15th, we had launched modern route full stack generative AI and agentic AI batch. So after every 2 months, there is a batch launch. And we are also soon planning to launch one advanced route batch to learn AI. You know generative AI, you know agentic AI, but now if you really want to perform fine tuning, distillation, take it everything to the production, how to probably work in a companies with all this kind of tools, that advanced route will also be coming up. Along with that, if you go to the roadmap section, you'll be able to see all the routes that we are planning to create in our boot camps, right? So here you can see traditional route, modern route. In the modern route, we have this through the coding way, right? If you are coming from a non-coding background, this is the path that you have to probably go ahead and see. And one more route, advanced route, we will be soon coming up with this specific batch. As said, guys, since the launch is only around 3 to 4 days, I think last 70 to 80 seats are left, okay, for this specific batch, modern no code AI route. One more very amazing thing is that if you want to learn everything from us, like whatever batches are basically getting launched in a year, we launch around 5 to 6 boot camps, which will be completely in depth, right? If you want to also go ahead and learn all those things, or join or have the access of everything, we also have something called as AI Pro. Okay, you can go ahead and talk to our counseling team. The number will be given in the description of this particular video. The real reason why I'm telling you to call the counseling team, because they will be able to guide you properly what is best and suitable for you. But if I talk about modern no code AI route, AI generalist to AI builder, this is specifically for anyone who wants to quickly get into generative AI, agentic AI without any coding background, right? Here we will be talking about everything, how to create agentic workflows. We'll be covering tools like Cloud Code. We'll be covering tools like N8N. We'll be seeing how automation can be basically done, how you can actually create an agentic workflow without writing much code, how you can actually automate that entire process, how to create your own personal assistant so that you will be able to do the task day to day, like whatever things you are doing in your company, how to integrate with your email, how to integrate with any kind of external sources, right? And how to create that entire workflow properly and also take it into the production. Everything will be explained in much more depth, right? As I said, if you want to go to know about the syllabus, just go ahead and click on enroll now. You will be having the detailed syllabus and all the information out there, right? Other than that, over here, all the information, what all skill sets you will be learning, you will be seeing over here, right? And we definitely have amazing response from all the students. Twice in a month we'll just launch a batch. That is the reason we are just promoting it in this front of you. Please make sure that you share this video with all your friends, all your family members, whoever actually require it. So yeah, this was it from my side. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.